part 2.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
Okay, let's go get some wood. What's love got to do with it? Do with it? What's love got to do with it? Do with it? What's love got to do with it? Do with it? What's love got to do with it? Do with it? Okay, I'm feeling like a new woman and I am starving. So, let's start dinner. Well, guys, thanks for joining me for another great meal. And this time you got to see it because Sheila knows how to work her camera now. Oh my God. One of the things I love about camping is the ability to eat the kind of food I eat in my regular life. I really don't want to eat hot dogs and hamburgers when I camp. I want to eat the same good food I eat at home. It's just up to me to figure out how to cook it. Fried fish, sauteed spinach with onion or green onions and bacon, and something you didn't see till just now, some macaroni and cheese I made the other night. So I just heated it up on the stove, on the little butane stove. Now I know I'm a steno girl because that's all I knew how to do when I first started camping. But I cook with other things too, especially when I'm really ready to cook. So thanks guys for having dinner with me. And of course, I'll see you at the fire. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm. I love the tail. Nice and crispy. Okay, guys, I'm not going to tease you with food. I'll see you at the fire. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, pardon me. Well, guys, dinner was great. I hope you enjoyed watching me prepare it. The dishes are all done, and I thought this would be a great time to have a fireside chat. So, this is the story of how I started camping. Long story short, my daughter agreed to go on the first camping trip with me, and then she changed her mind the same day we were supposed to leave. She bailed on me. So here I am with a car loaded down of stuff, and she just really doesn't want to go camping with me. So on a whim, I Googled campgrounds owned by women. And I'll be damned if something didn't come up 30 minutes from me. So I called them, explained my quandary. They told me to come on out. They would help me. They did. They walked me through setting up my tent. They asked me if I wanted to have a fire. I said no, I'm not comfortable with that. And I don't want to be that person on the campground and black who burned it down. So I did not have a fire the first time, and I cooked all of my food on a Steno emergency stove. That evening, I just sat and watched the water, and then when it got too dark, I watched the stars in the sky. And I did that the entire night. I also got dewed upon because I didn't know about dew. Now, when I rode, and I rode a better part of my life, we always rode through nature, mostly just to get to the next air-conditioned bar. We never really hung around in it too much. This was the first time I actually hung around in nature, and I absolutely fell in love. And because I was up all night, I actually got to see the mist forming over the water in the morning. And to this day, that is still a magical moment for me. Well, I guess that about does it for me. As you can see, I prepared some marshmallows for roasting, and I think I'll sit out by the fire a little longer. I hope you've enjoyed this Camping with Sheila episode. I had a blast filming it for you, and I think I'll see you all in the morning. Sweet dreams! guys and sharing my little bit of heaven. Your company is always appreciated. Until the next time, happy trails.